Hello traders, welcome to another daily market analysis video. Let's see what we can expect from market tomorrow. Yesterday we planned today can be a complete sideways day or a breakout day. After market open, Nifty moved higher, Nifty and Bank Nifty moved higher. After that Nifty and Bank Nifty both started to pull back and Nifty made almost continuous green candles. After that it took a support here and after making this kind of move, up move and a down move, Nifty may consolidate here within a few points range. So I created a short straddle around this point and exited almost at end of the day around 310 to 315 by booking a 40 points profit within a 60 points premium. Let's see where I have placed orders and where I have exited. Yesterday we have seen that Nifty's ATM short straddle premium is around 85 points. By the time market opened, that premium would have been decayed from 85 to 80 or 75, and I waited all the time and I executed my orders around 11:11. After seeing the support formation at this point, let's check the time. It is around 10:45, and after that, after taking the support, I executed the trades. Around this point, the premium is around 65, I think, and I executed these orders. C leg is around 31 and PE leg is around 28, and the combined premium is around 59 points. And after that, I exited these orders around 3.5 for a premium of 19. C leg and PE leg at 28, exited at 1. So I entered around 59 premium and exited around 20 premium, and the profit I booked is around 39 points per lot, which is equivalent to 2% per lot. On a deployed capital of 1 lakh per lot, it's equal to 2%. That's in intraday within few hours from 11 to 3 without using any adjustments and without punching a lot of orders. By just placing a few orders, I have gained 2%, which is a great thing. And let's see the planning for tomorrow. Tomorrow can be an important day. It can be a sideways day or a breakout day. Tomorrow can be an important day because tomorrow is a weekly closing candle, and tomorrow will decide where the market is going to close on a weekly basis. And if you see this weekly candle, here you can see weekly candle overlapped this previous week's candle, which is not a good sign. And tomorrow it may close higher or it may close exactly at this point. We don't know what is going to happen. Tomorrow is important. Tomorrow can be a complete sideways day or can move in one direction. And Bank Nifty is completely different. Bank Nifty's weekly candle is somewhere here, which is again at the top. So let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. And based on today's closing, it's good. Yesterday Nifty and Bank Nifty both indicated negative closing, and today closed in positive. Bank Nifty closed positive and Nifty closed exactly at the closing price, slightly few points above the closing price. That's a good sign. And if the opening is above this level, we may see up move or positive bias. If the closing is below this level, we may see down move or a negative bias. And this support, Nifty tested multiple times. It tested yesterday and today also it tested. If this level breaks, we may see further fall in the market, but the closing is indicating a different thing. And in this kind of days, it can be a complete sideways day. One day positive closing, one day negative closing. What I mean, I'll show you clearly. Here also one day is a negative closing, and after that positive closing, negative closing, positive closing. It's confusing. If it's confusing day by day, then it may be a sideways market, and market is going to consolidate in this range. That's what it means. If it's changing the bias from bullish to bearish to bullish, it may be a sideways market. It is not going to trend until it breaks on one side clearly. Until then, it may move in a range. That's what my expectation is. If tomorrow this level breaks, we may see further fall. Until then, it may move in these ranges. Let's see what happens. And Bank Nifty also, if Bank Nifty opens above this level, it is a positive bias. Any pullback or any up move, you can consider it as buying opportunity. Below this level, it is a selling opportunity. You can see clearly on this day it's a buying day and a selling day. It's a buying day. It closed higher. So tomorrow can be a negative closing, few points below this today's closing. That is also possible. And until this level is not broken, we may consider this as a range, or this high also this as a range. Tomorrow's view is sideways with a bullish bias. Let's check the options data. Options data is also indicating the same thing. Option sellers added this as 17,700 short straddles, 17,700 and 17,600 short straddles, and the PCR is 0.89, which is slightly bearish. And option sellers are added heavily, 17,700 call, and puts are not that much heavy. You can see, and 17,500 you can see puts in a decent quantity. So 17,500 may act as support. These option sellers are thinking in that way. Let's check Bank Nifty data. In Bank Nifty also, option sellers are writing 42,300 short straddles and 42,200 short straddles, and 42,000 is an important support and 42,500 is an important resistance, and the PCR is 1, which is neutral bias. So it may be a sideways day tomorrow. Let's check the premium. of this short straddles. Nifty's ATM short straddle is 17650 and the CE leg is around 95 and the PE leg is 92. So that means it is around 187 to 190 points premium for this ATM straddle. And for Bank Nifty, ATM short straddle is 42,300, 268 on call leg and 293 on put leg. It's around 560 to 570 for this Bank Nifty ATM straddle. And the bias for tomorrow is sideways to bullish. Let's see what happens. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.